Hmm. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It writes our essay, generate our image, answer our questions. But with this incredible power comes a responsibility we cannot ignore. Hmm. Kayo ba? Agree ba kayo dun? Hi, my name is Vincent Jonas P. Sumandal. Dito ako ngayon para pag-usapan ng ethical use of AI generative. The problem with AI is pinapagawa nila yung work nila sa AI. Yung iba naman nag-spread ng AI generated image, misinformation, even voice and news. So, may iba tuloy is naloloko sila. But that's not it. Loloko din natin ang sarili natin. Why? Kasi ano ba mapapala natin if ganun natin gamitin ng AI? 3. Ethics principle. So, how do we use AI ethically? First, be honest. Yun lang. Pag may gawain ka sa school, pag may papasa lahat ng gawain sa AI. Kasi what if tanungin ka ng teacher mo? Oh, edi wala kang alam. Lagot tayo dyan. Second is, be responsible. Fact check what AI gives you. Mga AI, di yan 100% accurate. Kaya always double check it if ginagamit mo ito. Third, be human. Use AI as a tool to enhance your thinking, not replace it. Gets mo? The positive side. When used responsibly, AI is remarkable. It helps doctors save lives, helps students learn faster, and gives people with disability a stronger voice. The technology isn't the problem. It's how we choose to use it. Use AI wisely. You have the power to shape how AI is used in your school, your community, your future. The question isn't whether to use AI. The question is, will you use it wisely?